To replace the backrest actuator, the first thing we need to do is unplug the chair. Next, we'll tip the chair gently onto its right-hand side. Next, we'll use a 5/32 inch Allen wrench and a pliers to remove the bolt that secures the upper mounting bracket. And we'll do the same thing to remove the lower bolt. You can use the pliers then to push the bolt all the way through the stretcher bar to remove it. Okay, next we'll push the actuator out of the stretcher bar, remove the two brackets. Then we're ready to use a 5/16 inch Allen wrench and a pliers to remove the forward mounting bolt. And at this point, we can detach the actuator from the chair. Next, we can unplug the actuator cable from the main control module, then use a wire cutter to cut the two zip ties that secure the actuator cable. And we can fish that cable through the cable guides. And remove the actuator from the chair. To install the new actuator then, we'll first thread that cable through the two cable guides. And then position the connector with the notch in it positioned to our left, like so, and plug the connector securely into the main control module, making sure it's seated tightly. Okay, then we'll replace the two zip ties to secure the cables together, and then the cables to the upper cable guide. And be sure to leave just about the amount of slack shown there between the main control module and the cable guide. Okay, then we can cut the excess zip tie. Next, we're ready to position the mounting bracket with the hook facing toward the rear of the chair. So we can slide each bracket onto the mounting post that's on the shaft of the actuator, and then slide those brackets into position on the stretcher bar, aligning the screw holes. Okay, then we can replace the two bolts to secure the brackets to the stretcher bar. Next we can install the front mounting bolt from the top and then replace the nut to secure it. Okay, then we can return the chair to the upright position. Plug it back in. And we're done.